The average American will spend 90,000 hours at work. That is more time than you will spend sleeping, eating, or talking to every person you have ever loved, combined. At level 1, you sit in a cubicle wondering if anyone knows your name. At level 5, your signature moves 800 people out of a building by Friday. But here is the part that nobody puts in the job description. Every corporate level costs you something the salary cannot buy back. This is your life at every corporate level. From entry to C-suite, and the machine does not care which floor you are on. Level 1. The part. Marcus is 24. He graduated from CU Boulder with a finance degree, $43,000 in student loans, and a LinkedIn profile he rewrote 11 times before anyone replied. He works as a junior financial analyst at a mid-sized logistics company in Denver. His salary is $52,000 a year. The Bureau of Labor Statistics reports the median for business and financial occupations at around $78,000 nationally. Marcus is below that line, and he knows it. His day starts at a desk he shares with a broken printer.
As you can
He
see on the
builds
spreadsheet
spreadsheets.
analysis,
Nobody
the
reads
projections
past
for
the
the
second
next
tab.
quarter are currently underperforming.
He sits in
We
meetings
need to
where his
optimize
manager's
these
manager
metrics
does all the
immediately.
talking. Ons. He flagged a variance in a quarterly report that saved the team a 16-hour correction. His manager thanked the department in an email. Marcus was not named. He is a part inside the machine. Replaceable. Functional. Invisible. The dark side of level 1 is not the money. It is the silence. You do good work, and the hallway does not echo. You leave on a Friday, and the building does not notice.
Oh, the joy of
But Marcus stays, because the only way to stop being a part is to learn how the machine works from the inside. Level 2. The operator. Priya is 31. She manages a team of 9 at a consumer goods company on the west side of Chicago. Her base salary is $95,000. With her bonus, she clears $112,000. She thought the promotion would feel like a rival. It feels like a second job stapled to the first one. She still does her own reports. She also approves everyone else's. She sits in back-to-back meetings from 9 to 4, then starts her actual work
The data supports
at
a shift in
4:15.
focus.
Gallup's data says managers account for 70% of the variance in team engagement. Priya believes it. When one of her direct reports quits, her director does not ask what happened to the person. He asks what happened to the project timeline. Priya is the operator now. She does not build the spreadsheets anymore.
Of modern success.
She keeps the people who build them from walking out the door. The dark side of level 2 is the squeeze.
Freshly squeezed orange
You are close
juice
enough to the
and
work
fruit platter.
to feel responsible for
Thank
it,
you. Perfectly
and far enough from the
splendid as
decisions to
always.
have no control over it. The salary jump from corporate level 1 to 2 averages around 30%. The stress jump has no number. Ask any manager at 3 in the morning. Reviewing a deck they did not write. For a meeting they cannot skip. Level 3. The architect. James is 38. Director of Corporate Strategy at a Fortune 500 healthcare company based in Atlanta. His total compensation, base,
madam.
bonus,
It looks
and restricted stock
absolutely
is
wonderful.
$310,000. He does not manage tasks. He manages outcomes. 2 layers of managers report up through him. He owns a P&L line worth $40 million. When that number misses by 4%, the SVP does not call James's team. She calls James. He flies to the Dallas office on Tuesday, presents restructuring options to the regional VP on Wednesday, and flies home Thursday evening to catch the last 20 minutes of his daughter's soccer game. He makes it. He sits in the bleachers, still wearing his badge lanyard. His wife, she stopped mentioning it around year 2. James is the architect. He designs how the machine runs. But here is what nobody tells you about architects. They are the first ones blamed when the blueprint fails, and the last ones credited when it works. Glassdoor data shows director-level compensation ranging from roughly $250,000 to over $400,000. Depending on industry and metro area, the pay is real. But so is the golden handcuff. James has $160,000 in unvested stock that evaporates if he walks. Every month he stays is a month closer to a payout. And a month further from the startup idea, he keeps in a locked note on his phone. Level 4. The engine. Catherine is 46. Vice President of Commercial Operations. Her total compensation package is north of $500,000. At this altitude, nobody discusses base salary. They discuss equity, deferred comp, and the long-term incentive plan that locks her into a 3-year performance cycle. She manages 4 directors and 212 employees. She will never meet by name. She presents quarterly results to the C-suite. She speaks for 7 minutes. Those 7 minutes determine her next 12 months. Catherine is the engine. The machine does not run without her. And it lets her know every Sunday night at 9. When her phone lights up with a thread, she needs to read before Monday's 8 o'clock. The dark side of level 4? Isolation? Industry research shows executive loneliness rises sharply above director level. Catherine eats lunch at her desk, not because she is busy, because the people below her are careful around her, and the people above her are competing with her. Is the corner office worth it? Depends on which floor you are standing on, and what you left on the floor below. Level 5. The machine itself. David is 54. Chief Operating Officer. Total compensation, $4.2 million. According to Equilar and the Associated Press,
On one side,
median total comp for
comfort of
S&P,
modern success.
500 executives reached $17 million in 2024. David is not S&P 500. He runs a company with $3 billion in revenue and 11,000 employees. He is the ceiling most corporate careers never touch. His calendar is scheduled in 15-minute blocks, from 6:30 in the morning until 7 at night. He approved a restructuring last quarter that eliminated 140 positions. He read the memo. He signed it. He went home and poured a glass of wine, and did not mention it at dinner. David is no longer inside the machine. He is the machine.
Data doesn't lie.
The company's rhythm is his
We are
rhythm.
facing significant
Its cries are his cries.
but we will not
Its
waver
board meetings
from
are the
our
only
strategy.
performance reviews that matter. His son is 22
Still nothing.
and just started as a junior analyst
just a blank
somewhere in
screen.
Denver. David does not
I
know
think
the
I
name
deleted
of his son's
everything.
manager. He does not know his son shares a desk with a broken printer. He knows the spreadsheets get done because the numbers arrive on time, somewhere on the 7th floor. A part is working late, hoping someone notices. On the 42nd floor, the machine is running, hoping no one looks too closely at what it costs to keep the lights on. So here is the question. Which level are you? Not which level you want. Which one are you in right now? And does the cost still feel worth it? Drop a comment with your level. Be honest. Nobody is grading this. And if someone you know is stuck between floors, still invisible, still grinding, still wondering if the machine even sees them, send them this video. Sometimes knowing the blueprint is the first step to redrawing it. If you think the corporate ladder is intense, wait until you see how the money works. Next video, every level of wealth in America, and what each one actually feels like from the inside.